I will demonstrate how to test a light emitting diode. A light emitting diode is a semiconductor device that emits light when current flows through it. I have here the electronic symbol of the light emitting diode. As you can see, there is two arrows that are pointing out. So it means that this electronic component will emit light. And this is a pictorial illustration of the light emitting diode. When a light emitting diode is new, it is very easy to identify where is the anode and the cathode terminals, because the anode terminal is longer compared to the cathode terminal. Then A stands for anode, K stands for the cathode. Similar to the other diodes, the light emitting diode emits light when it is forward biased. Now, a forward biased light emitting diode, it is tested when a black test probe is connected to the anode terminal, and then the red test probe of the analog tester is connected to the cathode terminal. And then it will emit light. I mean, the light emitting diode will emit light. Okay? Now, during a reverse biased LED, well, it does not emit light. And a diode is in reverse bias when a red test probe is connected to the anode terminal, then the black test probe is connected to the cathode terminal. Okay? Now, we have to take note that a defective light emitting diode does not emit light when forward biased. In other words, when it is forward biased, it should emit light when it is a good LED. Now, if the LED does not emit light, it means that is a defective LED. Okay, let's now test the LED. We will use the analog tester. We will set it to times 10. Then we short the test probe. Then we will adjust the 0 ohm adjuster. We set it to 0. The reason for that is for us to have a correct assessment or correct interpretation of the pointer deflection shown by the analog tester. So we already set the pointer to 0. This time we do not know where is the anode and the cathode terminal because it has the same length. I mean, the terminals have the same length. So all we have to do is to place these test probes into the terminals of the LED. As you can see, there is no light. Okay, so in this case, it is probably in reverse biased. What we're going to do is to interchange the placement of the test probe towards the light emitting diode, and then we will place the test probe. Then, as you can see, there is a light that is emitted by the LED, and then the pointer of the analog tester moves to the right, but it does not reach 0. So in this case, the light emitting diode is in forward bias. Since the light emitting diode under test emits light, therefore this LED is a good LED. Okay, so we're done testing the LED. We set the range selector function switch to the off position. Okay, I hope you have learned something from this tutorial video, and if you have learned something, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for you to be notified in my next videos. Thank you very much.